Good day, beloveds, and welcome. This is a prosperity consciousness bonus video. If you haven't seen my first 4 videos of the year where I'm talking about prosperity essential oils leading up to a prosperity consciousness blend that we'll have by the end of the month, I encourage you to check them out. And if you're new here, welcome. I am Danny. Welcome to this channel, Natural Ally D. I am a social worker and an aromatherapist, and I enjoy sharing information to enhance our overall quality of life and well-being. So let's get right to it. So what is this resource and bonus that I'm sharing today? Well, if you haven't seen, in my community tab, I posted tips, the first 5 tips from this organization you see above me, Dfree Global Foundation. And you say, well, what is Dfree Global Foundation and why am I talking about it? Well, Dfree Global Foundation is one of its kind. It's very unique. It's a faith-based organization specifically designed for our community to help us to get our money right, in a nutshell, okay, and to become financially free. This organization is the brainchild of Dr. DeForest Soares Jr. He does have books out, as you can see, and I actually have a copy of the book that Say Yes to No Debt. He also has a workbook, right? Yeah, with the same name, okay? The website itself, Dfree, if you visit the website, dfreefoundation.org, you get a plethora of wonderful information, free information for you to download, for you to share, for you to share with your family, your faith family, and anyone you believe could be of benefit to help with their finances. It is self-help. For example, the online academy you see here, you can sign up, go at your leisure, okay? Go through the courses and empower yourself with the information. Perhaps there's some information that you don't already know or could be a benefit to you or to someone that you love. It's a free academy. You just sign up. You can also sign up as a group. Perhaps you have a group of people that you want to help with this information. It's free. Again, it's downloadable. It's customizable to any group or person that you want to share it with. So you can take it as your own and present it in some capacity for your audience, okay? Which I absolutely love. And in full disclaimer, as I'm beginning to talk more about this, I am a full disclaimer and transparency. I am a certified Dfree leader, which means I have gone through the academy that we're talking about right here. I've gone through the academy. I've gone through the facilitators training, online training, and also they also have faith-based training for which I have also attended. So I have gone through their academies. I've also led a one-on-one facilitation with someone through the Dfree 12-step program, okay? And it's absolutely wonderful. I can't praise it enough for a self-help sort of resource. And not only that, for self-help, they give you other resources, okay? And they have a sense of community that's really wonderful. And if the online academy isn't enough, they also have Monday Night Lives, which is the 4th Monday of the month. So today would be the day that they would have the all things going equal and being well. They would have the Monday Night Lives, right? And that's a community of people who come together with questions and really, you know, have that sense of community and support and encourage one another towards the movement, okay, of being financially free. If the community isn't enough for you, they also have what they call Wealth on Wednesdays, where they bring on professionals in the field or whatever they're talking about. It could be about investing in property. It could be talking about what a financial advisor could help you with. Any sort of financial information from professionals whom they bring on. And no worries. If you can sign up with your email address, If you miss it, they'll send you the retake. So it's absolutely no worries. That's the same for the Monday Night Lives. It's the same for the Wealth on Wednesdays. And if that's not enough for you, they also have something called the $1 Billion Challenge. And what the $1 Billion Challenge is they want to see or help reduce $1 billion worth of debt in the Black and Brown community. And what that entails is you entering information. Perhaps you have a debt that you're trying to get rid of, and say, for example, $1,000, and you want to get rid of that debt by the end of the year. You simply enter information, the $1,000 debt, if there's interest rate associated with, and the timeline for which you want to pay down that debt. And it gives you a formula, sort of a calculation, if you will. It does not ask you for any personal information. You're not entering an account number, social security, none of that. You're just entering in the debt that you're trying to reduce and figure out, okay, based on this amount of debt, and if there's interest, and if I want to pay it down by a certain time period, how much do I need to pay or put into it monthly, or however you plan to do so, which I think is wonderful and a resource tool, because sometimes you just need that extra push to say, okay, I'm going to allocate these resources to reduce this debt. It's also a savings tool. You can put in there what you want to save for, which is, I think, is an added bonus by a certain period of time. So it's a really wonderful resource, okay? And I'll leave a link to the dfreefoundation.org in the description. Last but not least is I'm sharing this resource with you, our BWBW, Black Women Build Wealth by Sam. She's in this video, her second video of the year, she's talking about budgeting. And so I mentioned Sam and her channel, BWBW, because one of the tips that you will see in my community tab, the 23 tips by the Dfree Global Foundation that they gave this month, one of the tips mentioned budgeting, right? And so budgeting, you know, in her video and what they're talking about goes hand in hand. I think it's wonderful. Another wonderful sister YouTube channel resource to talk about building wealth for Black women. So I wanted to share that resource with you as well, if that resonates with you or someone that you love, okay? Absolutely wonderful resources here I wanted to share with you as a bonus to this month's Prosperity Consciousness essential oil blends that I'm sharing with you, okay? So add it. You say, well, how does all this go together with the essential oils? Well, if you haven't seen my most recent video, number 4, Prosperity Essential Oils for the New Year, where I'm talking about frankincense, I encourage you to watch that video. But just to give you a highlight and idea, frankincense oil is helpful for, let's see, procrastination and dispelling fear when taking action. Let me read that again. Frankincense oil is helpful for, overcoming procrastination and dispelling fear when taking action. And, you know, in order to become financially free and to create budgets, you need to take action. It just doesn't simply happen for you. So definitely you could use that as another resource tool to help aid and guide you to taking action, to being financially free, if that's your goal. Again, prosperity consciousness is different for everybody. If you haven't seen my first video where I'm talking about prosperity essential oils, where I'm describing the book that I'm getting this prosperity consciousness information on essential oils from, talks about wealth looks different to everybody, and the definition of it for each individual person is personalized, whatever it means to you. So again, I'm offering this as another resource tool to go along with the prosperity essential oils that I'm presenting this month. And if you haven't already seen, please check out the community tab, where I do also have a link to the most recent video talking about their shorts. Okay, so that means they're really short tips that the Dfree Foundation has put out to help you towards being financially free. So I hope this resource is helpful for you. Dfreefoundation.org and my sister channel, BWBW, Black Women Build Wealth. And as always, it's a pleasure to serve you. And what's my saying? Let's continue to learn, grow, share together naturally. Until the next video, stay tuned. Bye-bye. Hi, beloved, and thank you for watching. If you have chosen to subscribe to my channel, liked my video, or shared it with anyone you know may be interested, I am truly thankful for you. Until next time, bye-bye now.